In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer files from Mega to Google Drive using Moltcloud. This is a handy method if you frequently work across multiple cloud storage services and want an efficient way to manage your files. So, let's dive straight into it. To begin with, make sure you're logged into Moltcloud, a brilliant cloud management tool that supports various cloud services including Mega and Google Drive. This service lets you transfer files without downloading them to your device, saving you time and bandwidth. Head over to Moltcloud's official website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the sign up instructions on their platform. Once you're signed in, you'll notice an option labeled Add Cloud right at the top of the dashboard. Click on it and you will see a list of all the supported cloud services. From this list, select Mega to begin the transfer process. This action prepares your Moltcloud account to interact seamlessly with your Mega account. A pop-up window will guide you through the process of linking your Mega account with Moltcloud, ensuring that your data remains safe and your credentials secure. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. After successfully adding your Mega account to Moltcloud, return to the Add Cloud section and select Google Drive this time. Just as with Mega, you will be prompted to connect your Google Drive account with Moltcloud. Make sure to select the correct Google account if you have multiple accounts and provide the necessary permissions for access. With both Mega and Google Drive now linked to Moltcloud, the next step is to select the files you wish to transfer. Navigate to your Mega account within Moltcloud and browse to the specific files or folders you want to move. You'll need to carefully select the items by clicking next to their names, ensuring you've chosen everything you want to transfer. Once you've selected the desired files, look for the Copy To button, prominently displayed on the interface. Clicking this will bring up a dialog box, and here you want to choose Google Drive as the destination. For those tasks where it might be more convenient, you have the option to transfer files from Google Drive back to Mega as well, simply by reversing your source and destination. Finally, confirm your action and sit back as Moltcloud does the work for you, transferring all your selected files from Mega to Google Drive. This automation drastically reduces your workload, enabling you to focus on other important tasks. And that's it! You now know how to efficiently transfer files from one cloud storage system to another using Moltcloud. It's an incredibly useful skill to have, especially if you're managing large data sets or collaborating in team environments with mixed cloud storage preferences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.